Good day everyone. Here we are to teach you on how to put a image using HTML. You can use your phone to write the code. So this is how to use your phone to put an image there. Let's go to your notepad. A new file, don't forget mypractice.html. You put your doc type. So you put this here as a tag, image source equals to images, which is the file you saved it, images slash sign.jpg Don't forget to close it. Okay. Then you open your hot, which is equals to a sign, then you close it. Then you put your width equals to, let's say, like 200, close it. Then you put your height equals to, let's say, like 200 or so. Save your file, don't forget, close it. It's not opening. Check where you've done your mistake. So open it. Can you see it? Can you see the image? Can you see the image? So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.